Let us start with how to install Arduino IDE. This is the setup file for Arduino that you can get from online sources. Double click on the setup file. Then you will get this dialog box and so click on yes. Then I agree. Next. Then click on install. This process might take some time, hence I will pause this video. Now the Arduino IDE is installed. Double click on Arduino shortcut. This is the sketch where program is written. The project that we are doing is IoT based air pollution monitoring system using Arduino. The components required are Arduino Uno, that is a 8-bit microcontroller, MQ135 gas sensor. Here we use a Wi-Fi module, that is ESP8266, a 16x2 LCD, 10K part, which is used to control the brightness of LCD, and 220 ohm resistor, which is used as a voltage divider. Before beginning coding for this project, download the MQ135 library file that you can get it from this link. Then click on clone or download, download zip, and your downloading process will start. Now for including that MQ135 library, click on sketch, then click on include library, click on add zip library, then browse that downloaded file and include it. After including that MQ135 library, for calibrating the sensor, upload the following code and let it run for 12 to 24 hours. Then get the R0 value, and the R0 value will be displayed on the serial monitor. To access the serial monitor, click on tools and then click on serial monitor. There you will get the R0 value. After getting the R0 value, put the R0 value in the library file mq135.h and browse to that library file. Here we have got the value of R0 as 494.63, and we have to define it like this, that is hash define R0 494.63. After calibrating MQ135, now set the Wi-Fi module ESP8266 to a personal network. For that, first connect VCC and CHPD to the 3.3 volts of Arduino, ground to ground of Arduino, transmitter to the transmitter of the Arduino, and receiver to the receiver of the Arduino. Now to set the network, dump this black code to the Arduino. After the uploading is done, open the serial monitor. Then type 80. Then Arduino, the ESP8266 should respond it with a OK. Then type 80 plus CW mode is equals to 3, which is used to configure the access points. Then type 80 plus CW LAP, which is used to show the available networks. After this, type 80 plus CWJAP. equals, in double quotes, type the name of the Wi-Fi, then comma, after that again in double quotes type the password, then click enter. Now you can see Wi-Fi connected. Then type AT plus CIP mux is equals to 1, which is used to configure for multiple connections. Then after that type AT plus CIP server, that is equals to 1,8888, which is used to turn on the server on port 8888. Then type AT plus CIF SR, which is used to get the IP address. As you can see, we have the IP addresses, and we will use the static IP, that is STA IP, which is 192.168.43.119. Now the ESP is connected to your personal network. Now type your code to the sketch. This is the code that I have typed. Now dump this code to the Arduino board and run this project.